Welcome to my hiking adventure to Rødlandsstua, a beautiful hill located in Ålesund municipality, Norway. Join me as I explore the scenic trail and enjoy breathtaking views from the top. Rødlandsstua, also known as Rødlandsstua, stands at 355 meters above sea level. This hike is perfect for those looking for an easy yet rewarding outdoor experience. Our journey begins at the trailhead in Reiakvam, at the parking space just off the main road, E39. The hike offers stunning views to the southwest, north and southeast. The path is well marked and gradually ascends through lush forest and open landscapes. In the summertime, you'll encounter a variety of flora and fauna, making it a delightful experience for nature enthusiasts, but hiking in winter is just as rewarding. As we hike, we'll pass through serene woodlands and open meadows. The trail is relatively easy, making it suitable for hikers of all skill levels. Be sure to take your time and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. After a pleasant hike, I'll reach the summit of Rødlandsstua. The panoramic views from the top are simply breathtaking. You can see the surrounding mountains, valleys, and even the distant fjords. It's the perfect spot to take a break, have a snack, and soak in the beauty of nature. Rødlandsstua is a fantastic destination year-round. In winter, the trail transforms into a snowy wonderland. While the path may be covered in snow, it offers a unique and magical hiking experience. Just be sure to wear appropriate gear and take necessary precautions. Whether you're hiking in summer or winter, Rødlandsstua is a must-visit destination for outdoor enthusiasts. Its easy trail, stunning views, and serene atmosphere make it a perfect getaway. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more hiking adventures. Until next time, happy hiking!